Hello everyone, let's look at today's Leetcode problem 2918 minimum equal sum of two arrays after replacing zeros. Before starting this problem, let us look at motivational quote for the day. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. So it is always important for us to uh, learn new skills, upskill ourselves so that it is going to be a betterment for our future, and knowledge is always helpful for any at any point uh, or at any place, because with knowledge a person can become a lot more superior when compared to money. So it is important to always push ourselves to learn new things. Let us look at how we can solve this problem. So let's read the problem statement. So there are two nums1 and nums2, consisting of positive integers. You have to replace all zeros in both arrays with strictly positive integers such that num of elements of both array becomes equal. Sum of elements of both arrays become equal. Return the minimum equal sum you can obtain or minus. So we need to return the minimum equal sum. That is the question. So, and we can replace zeros in both arrays with positive integers. So positive integer might be something greater than 1 or greater. Let us look at the example 1 and let's see if we can understand this problem statement better. So we are given with 3, 2, 0, 1 and 0, and another number here is 650. So let's understand this. So there are two zeros here and 1 0 here. So we need to calculate the minimum equal sum uh, that we can obtain after replacing zeros with a positive integer, that is 1 or greater. To make the sum equal, we can change these values 0 to any specific value to make the sums equal. So let's calculate the sums after replacing. Maybe let's calculate without the general sum of this one. So S1, let's say, and let's say this is of 6 and this is of 11. So we can clearly see that S1 is much less than S2. So we need to increase the value of this S1, and we can do so by we can change zeros in S1. While in S2, we can keep it to the minimum. So we can replace 0 with the 1, and we can keep this as the minimal possible replacement to 0. Okay, so here we can change one of these values. So let's see if we change 1 and 1. So the difference here would be this sum would be 8, and the difference of this sum would be difference would be 12 minus 8, which is 4. So we can change this specific value to an additional 4. So if we see replace zeros nums with 1, the resulting array will be this way, and we can replace we can we need to we can use this for to move this to here and to this value. So we can do it this way. So we can change this to 2 and here we can bring out 3. So that's a possible uh, that's a possibility that we can do. Maybe we can give 1 here or anyways. So and both arrays have an equal sum of 12. So the sum 12 is from the S2 which is of the maximum amount of these two. It can be shown that it is the minimal sum we cannot take. Okay, so both arrays have equal sum 12 and we can replace this 0 value to anything. So we can either keep this 1 or we can change this to 5. So 3, 5, 6, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. We can change the zeros value. So that is the example 1. Let's look at this example 2 where we are given with 2, 0, 2, 0. And there are two zeros here. And let's see the nums to which this is non-zeros. Non-zeros. And if we need to calculate the sum of this value, so we already see that S1 sum will be zeros, 2 zeros, 2 into 1. So this will be a value of 6, while this can take up a max value or a fixed value of 5 only as no zeros. So since this fixed value is less than S1 with zeros, we can return -1 as minimum sums cannot be achieved. So okay, let us understand the thought process of how we can solve this problem. So we know that we are given with two nums, nums1 and nums2. We can check the sums and sum of this array and sum2, and similarly we can check zeros values in this two of these nums. So once we check the sums here, so we can uh, we need to check if zeros in 1 is equals to 0 and sum 1 is less than sum 2. So or z2 is equals to 0 and sum 2 is less than sum 1. So this is the similar situation of this example 2. This is the same constraint that we are looking to check here, and If that's the case, then we can simply return -1 as no uh, minimum equal sum can be achieved, because uh, the value of sum1 is less than that of sum2, where there might be zeros, or they may not have the possible zeros, but sum1 doesn't have any possibility to change its sum because it doesn't have any zeros as per the problem statement. So if this impossibility condition, we can check this, and we can simply return max of sum1 or sum2. So if this includes uh, some original plus zeros count into 1. Okay, let's look at how we can solve this problem. And time complexity would be, we would have it as n plus m, and space complexity is 1, as we do not need any additional space other than the variables that we get. Let's go to the Leetcode editor and let's solve this problem. So firstly, let me define certain variables such as sum1, and let's check. So we increase the sum1 count, since if there if we see a uh, zero element in the array, then we increase the count of zeros and also num1 or sum1 by 1, because we would ultimately be replacing the zero occurrence with the minimum positive integer. So similarly, let's do the same thing for num2. So we will be having uh, the count of sum1 with minimum replacement of 0, which is 1, and let's put the check where if zeros of 1 is equals to 0, and sum2 is greater than sum1, then we do not have any opportunity to increase the sum1, which is of fixed length. So similarly, let's check the same thing for else we can simply return. So we can simply return the maximum sum of sum1 or sum2, and we can adjust the values of 0 accordingly as per the problem statement. So these are the time and space complexity. Let's try submitting the solution and let's see if this works. So this should be almost now. Let's try resubmitting this solution. As you can see, the solution gets submitted. Thanks for your time. Please like and subscribe if you